Healthcare landscape is evolving, and today's healthcare companies must adapt to a competitive landscape, balancing cost-effectiveness of their processes with quality improvement. Accellor partnered with a leading healthcare innovator to boost efficiency and quality by automating back-office tasks using generative AI. The core business of this company is focused on enhancing lives with their specialized implants for treating pain stemming from the hip or spinal area. With an increased customer awareness of surgical implants and their process efficiency, this company faced a sharp surge in demand for them, resulting in a daunting task of managing thousands of purchase orders every month. Thus began a catch-up job for finance team to process invoices for mounting purchase orders, where each invoice took nearly 30 minutes, affecting efficiency and focus. Enter Accellor, where innovation meets efficiency. We introduced an AI-powered intelligent automation solution, transforming the way company handled their purchase order and invoice processing, thereby increasing their process throughput. Our system streamlined operations from the ground up. We streamlined PO management by integrating orders from emails and files, using advanced tech like cognitive services and OpenAI, ensuring seamless processing and storage. Implementing a solution that's efficient, innovate, and accurate, leading to a revolutionary 85% reduction in processing time, 70 to 85% savings on back-office staff, 86% successful throughput of intelligent process automation. Now, the finance team can focus on what matters most, supporting healthcare excellence. At Accellor, we're not just about solutions, we're about transforming challenges into opportunities.